QUBICOM, a global leader in the telecommunications field, provides smart solutions based on a private 5G network. QUBICOM provides customized services for private 5G networks that require ultra-fast speed, ultra-low latency, and ultra-connectivity. To this end, QUBICOM provides design, construction, deployment, optimization, and maintenance. QUBICOM provides a total solution. In the rapidly growing smart port market, domestic ports in Korea face the challenge of low automation levels, necessitating measures for safety and competitiveness enhancement. QUBICOM, in collaboration with partners, will establish a digital logistics infrastructure based on private 5G network and MEC. This initiative aims to provide an efficient foundation for smart ports. QUBICOM, as part of a practical demonstration project with the NIA, has implemented a private 5G network within the YES-24 Book Logistics Center. Through the utilization of AGV and AMR based on 5G communication, the automation of tasks, warehousing, product sorting, storage, and picking was effectively accomplished. Furthermore, to enhance the quality of the network, QUBICOM has introduced an automated quality management system and a wireless network maintenance system. This implementation has realized efficient system monitoring and cost savings. QUBICOM leverages its accumulated expertise to deliver world-class networks through automated quality monitoring and optimization services. Leading in next-generation communication networks, we are committed to shaping the future of global telecommunications.